Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode I will create super tasty composition of mashed potatoes and one of my favorite fishes, halibut. But first, as usual, I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. Action! Potatoes needs 2 minutes to be ready. Meanwhile, I will make dressing. I have to chop the cucumbers. Ivar from Croatia. 2 teaspoons. Okay. Chopped pickles. Salt. Pepper. Okay. Potatoes should be ready. Sure they are. Okay. Now, let's change the equipment. Yes. Frying pan on. Time to make mashed potatoes. To make mashed potatoes, I need this food processor. One of the best. Frying pan is hot, oil is on. Now, halibut goes on. Garlic. Salt. Pepper. Little butter. This fish looks gorgeous. Look at this. I'm sure it will be crispy. Now I can serve this dish. Amigos, extremely delicious mashed potatoes with superfood halibut are landing on the table. Bon appetit! Bon appetit, bon appetit. Okay. This fish is fantastic. Another successful day in the office. What a day!